Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Minecraft exit code 1. Now the first step you have to go, you have to click run, and you have to write percentage app data percentage, you have to click OK. So now after this we have to go on .minecraft. In here we have to click on mods. So you have to delete all the mods, and after this I have deleted my mods for the video. Now after that we have to click on versions, and you have to delete the versions. So the versions have been deleted. So after this tab you have to go to the Xbox game bar. Now you have to click on app settings. Now in the app setting you have to scroll down and you have to click on repair. So after repairing the Xbox game bar, the Xbox game bar has been repaired. So now after this we have to give some CMD commands in your PC. So we have to go to the CMD command prompt. We have to give some 3 to 4 commands. The first command is ipconfig flush DNS and enter. And now we have to give him the PC the second command, net sh dot winsock reset. So now after that we have to give our computer another command, which is ipconfig release. Now we have to give him the last command, ipconfig renew. So these were the 4 commands to fix this error. So now after this your error code exit 1 Minecraft will be solved. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So bye, Allah Hafiz.